Hello friends, this is your Python partner here. So today we are going to discuss decorators with parameters. So far we have discussed what are decorators, how to handle that, and as well as how to work with multiple decorators. Okay, so if you have not watched those videos, I really suggest you to stop this video right now and go watch it and come back. Okay, if not, this session would be a little bit more confusing. Okay, so just watch that and come back. Links are in description. Others, let's start the session here. So, why do we want decorators with parameters in sense? We can use the same decorator to behave differently in different situations based on the input that we provide. For us to use this decorators with parameters, we need three layers. Okay, that is the outer function which takes the parameters, then the actual decorator which takes the function to be decorated, fine, and as well as the wrapper which executes the extra behavior. So this is the core concept. We require three layers. Now let's understand this concept very clearly using this simple program. So here in this program, we got greet of, it is a function call. So naturally Python will go find that function. Before executing, it saw that repeat of and it is a decorator, and already we are sending 2 as an argument. So naturally our Python understands, yes, this function has to be decorated before executing. Now our Python will go to, yes, the decorator function. So let's follow it. So before we discuss this decorator functions, I want you guys to consider here very clearly. Our outer function runs only when we apply the decorator with parameters. And a decorator function runs only once when binding the decorated function. Okay. And a wrapper runs every time we call the function. Okay. For every function call, your wrapper is the function that is going to be executed. Fine. So repeat is our outer function and it holds the parameter n whose value is now 2. Right. We send 2 as an argument. So and it prints outer function I run once. Fine, yes. And we enter into decorator function. Now it holds our function. What is that? Greet of, yes. And it prints decorator function I run once. Okay. So these two lines will be printed once when the script loads. Okay. We don't have to really go for function calls. But even before that, these two things will be printed because our task is over. We apply the parameters to the decorators and as well as we binded the function to be decorated. Got it? Yes. And now we enter into this wrapper function. And yes, where it prints, I run for every function call. And inside that we got this for loop. And the range is set to n. N value is now 2. So it means our function has to be executed twice. So what happens? Yes, the greet of will be executed twice. And so we'll have hello buddy printed twice on the screen. Okay, so our output will be, so this is our output. Outer function I run once, decorator function I run once, yes. And the wrapper function I run for every function call. And hello buddy twice, yes. So we have seen the output for only one function call. Okay, so what happens if we go for another 2 function call? We'll have second and third function call and let's see what is the output. So see the output? Yes, only our wrapper function is executed, right? Yes. Actually, this decorators with parameters has so many uses, like you can use it to repeat or limit function calls, or you can just use it to show custom messages or to check permissions or roles for accessing certain things, something like that. Or we can set time limit or retry attempts and yeah, to format or style output, something like that. Okay, so that's it for the session today, friends. I hope you really enjoyed the session and understood the concepts very clearly. So write more programs and include this new concepts in that as well, and have fun with programming, fall in love with programming. And don't forget to like and share this video. And most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.